Tonight we're having some meatloaf, store-bought meatloaf, fiddleheads, and potatoes. Again, it's fiddlehead season. With that, I'm gonna have some fresh green onions. I'm gonna cook this for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna add this in there for the last 15 minutes, and it's all gonna be ready at the same time. Some are still taking shape. Here, these two gentlemen are working with the prosperity with all. Alright, the potatoes have been cooking for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to put this on for 15 minutes, and it's all going to be ready at the same time. Today our bounty of pork will be made with certain dishes and shared with the village's remaining handlers. Breakfast is complete. Preparation for a big feast at the end of the day is underway. Right here you can see the pig has been cut into strips, and they're hanging it. That's going to dry, and actually that's going to be allocated to some of the older gentlemen in this group. The hunters went out last night, and they may come back at some point to something today. We actually have no idea. They can come back with a squirrel, a fruit bat, a deer, or anything. Nothing at all. We don't know, but it seems about 30 to 40% of the diet here back in 15. Alright. So it's all done at the same time. Fiddleheads, potatoes, and store-bought meatloaf. And the meatloaf is pretty juicy. Alright. Thanks for watching. I'm going to eat this now.